Hi everybody, Dana Sparks, broker of Maximum One Greater Atlanta Realtors, and today's contract tip has to do with the affiliated business disclosure that you need to have signed by your clients and customers. Now, just about all brokerages have their own affiliated business disclosure, easy for me to say, that needs to be signed. However, this does not necessarily need to be part of a contract, because if one agent from one brokerage is co-oping with an agent from another brokerage, the affiliated vendors affiliated with each separate brokerage are not necessarily the same. So an affiliated brokerage arrangement disclosure does not need to be part of a contract. However, your broker does need that document signed by all clients and customers with which you work. Now, what is this? Why are we having it signed? What is this all about? Well, per RESPA, I'm going to put on my glasses so y'all don't see me squint. It is an unfair it is an unfair trade practice. It is a license law, OCGA 43-40-25B6. The receipt of anything of value for the referral of any service or product in a real estate transaction to a principal. If that is not disclosed, then that is a license law violation. So basically, under the federal RESPA guidelines, and RESPA, as you know, or you might not know, but you should know, stands for the Real Estate Settlement and Procedures Act. And the real estate broker and or agents that are participating in any type of affiliated business arrangement. That is, a lot of times you'll hear that referred to as a vendor program, or our affiliated vendors, our preferred vendors, things like that. But usually there is an affiliated program, vendors that work with brokerages, in which there is money going back and forth. Typically, the vendor will pay to be on a broker's vendor program so that that broker will make available to the agents materials from their services that their agents may offer their clients and or customers. It's not a requirement, but it is an opportunity for a particular vendor to get in front of the public with whom the agents are working. So RESPA states that any real estate broker and or agent that are participating in an affiliated business arrangement must have the public person, the client or the customer, sign a disclosure where they notify the client or customer that there is a financial interest in the affiliated company, and the authorization for title insurance. So basically, what does this all mean? Again, you have to disclose that there is a separate business arrangement between those service providers and the brokerage, and that the brokerage or you as an agent, you're not recommending or you're not providing the contact information of these service providers simply due to that financial arrangement on the back end, but this is one of more than one service providers that the public may choose for whatever it is, whether it be, for example, a home warranty program, a home inspector, so forth and so on. All the affiliates and vendors with whom your company works with are considered part of this, and you must disclose that, which is why there is, you must have your clients and customers sign that affiliated business disclosure. Now, additionally, if you as the agent are providing contact information for a service provider to your client and customer, you absolutely want to give out more than one name and contact information. And there is, if you are using the Georgia Association of Realtors GAR contract forms, there is a great document for you to use to help you with that. You don't need to use this document if you're not using the GAR forms or if you have something else created. But just for your convenience, It is a Georgia Association of Realtors form, and it is GAR Form F834 vendor list. And it has fill in the blanks for the vendor's name and contact information. And then it has a paragraph that says furnishing of any names of vendors provided by the broker or broker's affiliated licensee is done as a ministerial act and only as a courtesy to the undersigned and does not in any way constitute any warranty or representation as to the quality of the vendors, their services, or subsequent reports. The undersigned acknowledges that they have had the option to select any vendor of their choice and that the broker is not responsible for any guarantees, representations, or warranties of the selected vendors they choose. For good and valuable consideration, the undersigned herewith releases the broker and the broker's affiliated licensee from any liability or claim arising out of or in connection with the services of the vendor. The undersigned hereby acknowledges receipt of this vendor list. And then it has a place for your client or customer to sign with their address. So, hope this contract tip helped you out. Dana Sparks, broker of Maximum One Greater Atlanta Realtors, satisfying your needs with service, innovation, and education.